you have ethnic hair, is DHI, direct hair implantation, right for you? And I would say absolutely. Hi, I'm Dr. Danyo from North Atlanta Hair Restoration. So ethnic hair encompasses kind of a range of hair types. It can be longer type hair as seen in Asian patients, which are generally long and straight. Or there can be characteristics such as with Indian or Middle Eastern type hair where the hair is extremely coarse and there are large follicles with some length that make placement difficult. And the other side of the spectrum is going to be coarse curly hair seen in African style hair. So in each one of those scenarios, DHI is really the right thing for you because we take the follicle, we load it into the implanter pen. So essentially that follicle is kind of put into the implanter pen in the same trajectory as the actual incision for placing the graft. And that's very important because if you have curly hair, say in African style hair, and you create an entrance wound which is straight, and you're taking a curly hair, it's like putting a square cog into a round hole. It's very hard and difficult to do. So with curly hair in particular, DHI is really the way to go because you can only load those curly grafts with the curl up. And so when we place the hair, we're able to place it at depth, rotate the curl into position so it meets the natural contours to create the most natural look. So if you're interested in direct hair implantation or DHI, we're happy to help. You can call us at 678-845-7521. You can reach us on the web at nahairrestoration.com. That's NA as in North Atlanta, hairrestoration.com. Thank you.